Hi, this is Mary, and I'm from Cary. And I had been considering replacing my floors for a couple of years now, but my carpet got very worn, and I started to look at it, and I said, well, maybe I'll do something toward the spring. I saw an ad on Facebook for A1 floors, and I thought, well, I'll go ahead and try that. So I gave them a call. I was impressed that the response was very, very quick. I mentioned what I was considering, and Kevin made an appointment with me to come over and take a look at what I had in the house already and also what I was looking to get. So I decided not to do carpeting. I decided to do the laminates upstairs, the 3 bedrooms plus a hallway. I picked out a color that matched the hardwoods that I already had downstairs, and very quickly made an appointment to get a team in here to go ahead and lay down those floors. It took about maybe 1.5 days, because the day that they were installing was torrential rain. But I must say, the crew that came in was very gracious. At no time did they ever make a mess, and whatever mess they did make was cleaned up very, very quickly. They were here on time. They were here the next day when they said they would be here. They finished when they said they would finish. Moved out all the furniture, moved it all back in, and I must say the floors look really great. So I highly recommend A1 floors if you are considering making any kind of cosmetic changes to your house. Kevin was great to work with, the team was great to work with, and the prices were really great. So I'm a happy customer. I'd recommend them to anybody.